30 memorable and life-changing quotes from Nelson Mandela. 1. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. 2. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. 3. It always seems impossible until it's done. 4. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. 5. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin, or his background, or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. 6. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. 7. I am not a saint, unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying. 8. I have walked that long road to freedom. I have tried not to falter, I have made missteps along the way. But I have discovered the secret that after climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. 9. There is no passion to be found playing small, in settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. 10. I am fundamentally an optimist. Whether that comes from nature or nurture, I cannot say. Part of being optimistic is keeping one's head pointed toward the sun, one's feet moving forward. There were many dark moments when my faith in humanity was sorely tested, but I would not and could not give myself up to despair. That way lays defeat and death. 11. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. But if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. 12. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. 13. I like friends who have independent minds because they tend to make you see problems from all angles. 14. There is nothing like returning to a place that remains unchanged to find the ways in which you yourself have altered. 15. I am not an optimist, but a great believer of hope. 16. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. 17. It is better to lead from behind than to put others in front, especially when you celebrate victory when nice things occur. You take the front line when there is danger. Then people will appreciate your leadership. 18. I stand here before you not as a prophet, but as a humble servant of you, the people. 19. I have fought against white domination, and I have fought against black domination. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. But if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. 20. Do not judge me by my successes, judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. 21. The first thing is to be honest with yourself. You can never have an impact on society if you have not changed yourself. 22. I dream of an Africa which is in peace with itself. 23. I am not a saint, unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying. 24. It is not where you start but how high you aim that matters for success. 25. I have retired, but if there's anything that would kill me it is to wake up in the morning not knowing what to do. 26. I am the captain of my soul. 27. I detest racialism because I regard it as a barbaric thing, whether it comes from a black man or a white man. 28. I was not a messiah, but an ordinary man who had become a leader because of extraordinary circumstances. 29. I am not an optimist, but a great believer of hope. 30. It is never too late to be what you might have been.